Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and this is a review long time coming, like the end of last year. Shame on me, I guess, and why didn't I do it quicker? Well, I don't know. I just didn't eat all the food right away. This is a review on California Grill Restaurant's website. So this is like a 4-star good reviewed, it's highly reviewed restaurant, California apparently, of course. And they have a meal service now. It's California Grill Meals. I'll leave a link down in the YouTube description. Make sure to go that way. So I found cgmeals.com off Groupon, and I was like, hey, I'm down for meal services. These things are pre-cooked, sealed, sent to you to warm up in multiple ways. You can warm these things up, or you can freeze them right out of the gate. But it was a decent deal from Groupon. I was like, I'm going to jump on this thing. This was like October is when I started getting these things in. I think October, November. I got like 21 meals. I mean, like in a bundle, taped, the name of it. It's like a dish. Each meal is like a dish. Yeah, and I put them right in the freezer whenever I finally got one that was the correct temperature. Now I live in North Alabama, Huntsville area. This is California. What ended up happening is the first couple boxes just were not the right temperature. It kind of crept up in the, I think, 70 degree, 60 degree frame, which is not what you want your food to be when it's delayed getting to you through UPS, I think is what it was. So ultimately what happened, that big of an order, that distance, that range away, depending on outdoor temps as well, but that distance, it had to be divided up into 2 separate boxes. Once we figured that out over like a month period of back and forth, putting a tracker in the box to make sure the shipping is doing the right things, because it should be getting there within like 2 days, we nailed it down to what it should have, and that's half of the 21 meal orders. So it came in 2 separate boxes. Long story short, finally got it figured out, put them right into the freezer, ate on these things until like a week ago. So it's just a special night dinner thing. Boom, you could totally meal replacements, you know. It's not bad price, I don't feel like, and the food is phenomenal. Like, I don't know if they make these at the kitchen of the restaurant or they have a separate building. I really don't know the story behind it, but we tried everything that sounded good, and I'll list off the stuff that I tried, and I'll show you some pictures and videos and stuff along the way. But in order to cook it, I just did boiled them in water, threw the whole pack that's wrapped up, the whole meal, the whole plate of food that you would get at the restaurant. It comes in a bundle, and I just put the thing right in boiling water, like 20 minutes, pull it out, and it's fantastic, just like they cooked it at the restaurant. The meats and stuff like that are marinated in their own juices, so it's phenomenal. But anyway, I ordered the Mediterranean salmon. My wife hates when I say salmon. Mediterranean prime steak, roasted zucchini and green beans. The Mediterranean came with roasted zucchini and corn, by the way. Chicken cilantro soup, Mongolian beef and broccoli, sauteed bell peppers and beans, stuffed chicken, sauteed mushroom, Brussels sprouts with bacon bits, shrimp fajitas, Southwest rice and beans, steak fajitas, roasted zucchini and beans, pot roast, broccoli, carrots, corn, prime steak, sauteed mushrooms and Brussels sprouts with bacon bits, Mediterranean salmon, sauteed mushrooms, Brussels sprouts with bacon bits, chicken teriyaki bowl, sauteed mushrooms, green beans, chicken kebab, Brussels sprouts with bacon bits, roasted zucchini, chicken marsala, Brussels sprouts with bacon bits and beans, Cajun shrimp, roasted zucchini, broccoli and carrots, blackened cod, roasted zucchini, broccoli and carrots, barbecue ribs, which were fantastic, sauteed mushrooms, Brussels sprouts with bacon bits, tequila, jalapeno pasta, and shrimp scampi. All that stuff was ordered. That total was like $2.92 for that. But there was a Groupon discount, which brought that down to not paying anything, but the shipping, which was $16.17, which is great for everything as far as shipping wise. The Groupon was for not $2.92. I think I was out like 100 something bucks for like 21 meals, which was phenomenal. So if you can get coupon codes or anything like that that might exist, maybe some subscription plan. I'm not sure what is all on this website, but they've gone through and they've made it better. I was kind of waiting to see if they would do that as well, because there was no like a count, no way to go through and look at what you liked and what you didn't like to order it again and things of that nature. It was just like a chat box, so it was in the early infancy of the website. But now I think they're combing through with a fine-tooth comb and getting some stuff straight, like an actual account that you can manage, which is cool. So overall, don't feel threatened by this new guy, the California Grill Meals, which is cgmeals.com. Follow my link. If I can get some kind of affiliate link that will give you a discount, I'll try to look for that and sign up for that and get that to you down the link down the YouTube description. But recommend it. It was great food. My wife liked it. My wife enjoys cooking from scratch, and she really liked the taste of the meals. I don't think I had a bad meal, to be honest. So kudos. Good stuff. Highly recommend it. Link down in the YouTube description, like I said. And I look forward to ordering these again. When I get a Groupon? No, I'm just kidding. When I get a deal? No. When I get a coupon? Maybe. But you're getting a fine restaurant. Okay. It's good meals. So make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding it down so you get notified on the next product review that I got coming. Got a lot. It's glorious. I'm behind as usual. See ya.